Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about Python variables. If you are new to programming, then this video is for you. If you know other programming language, you only have to notice the differences in Python variable compared to other languages. Now let's start. Variables are containers for storing variables. In Python, there is no command for declaring a variable. In other languages there have to declare the variable, but in Python we do not have to declare a variable. A variable is created when we first assign a value to it. For example, x equal to 5. Now this value is declared with the and assigned a value 5. Here this variable is declared and assigned a value daily. This is a string variable, so double quote. It may be single quote also. Now print x, print y, and now we want to print the type of x. Which type of variable is this? Now let's see. So print x, print is 5, print y is daily, and x is of type int. Now y is of type string. If we save this as 5.0 and then we want to know the type of x, it will show us that it is a float. So these are the variables. As we assign the value, it will get the type of its variable. So if we type 5.0, it means that x is a float type variable. Now we can change a variable from float or from integer to string also. For example, in other languages, if x is declared as int, it will remains integer at the end of the program. But here we can change a variable from int to string. Now let x is 5, that is float variable. Now x is daily, so now it is changed to string. Now let us check if the type of x is string or float. Sorry, we have to delete this. So now it is a string type variable. So first it was a float type variable, but when we assign it as daily, it will assigned as a string type variable. So we do not need to declare it with any particular type. But we can also declare the variable as any type if we want to. For example, if we want that 5 to be string, that 5 to be integer, 5 to be float, then we can print this like this. So if we says that x equal to 5, it will consider x as an integer variable, but here we mentioned that it is a string variable. So x is a string variable which contains the string 5. Let's see. So it is a string variable. Y is a integer variable and z is a float type variable. So we can specify the data type which we want to declare it as in this way. Also, variable is case sensitive, that is if we declare a variable as a equal to 5, a equal to Delhi, then print a means a, and these two are two different variable, as it is case sensitive. So capital A is different from small a. So now check, it is printing 5, that is a is not changed to Delhi, it is case sensitive. Also we have to know that variable name must be start with a letter or underscore. We can start with an underscore. So we can give a variable name as underscore a. A variable cannot start with number. Let 1a. So this is giving error, as variable name cannot be start with number. Variable name can contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. So alphanumeric character, that is A1 is possible, but it cannot start with 1a, 1, because it cannot start with a number. So A1 is possible, but 1a is not possible. It only contains alphanumeric character and underscore. A underscore 1 is also possible. Yes, it is printing like this, no error. And also we have to know that, like in other languages, variable name cannot be any of the name of the Python keywords. So these are the rules. Python have the facility to allow to assign values to multiple variables in one line. In other languages we have to declare that x equal to Delhi, y equal to Mumbai, z equal to Kolkata, but in Python we can assign multiple variable in one line, that is x, y, z equal to Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. That means x equal to Delhi, y equal to Mumbai, and z equal to Kolkata. So it is printing x, y, z. Also one variable can be assigned to multiple variable can be assigned to one string or one variable. So x, y, z equal to Delhi, x equal to y equal to z equal to Delhi means all of them is Delhi. So all of them are Delhi. Now if we can declare it as 5, then it will all 5. So this way we can declare the same value in different variables. When we using list, tuple, set dictionaries, in this case we can unpack the variables. This is called unpacking. This is a list. In this list, city, there are the cities. So we declare here that we assign here that x, y, z equal to city. That means the variables in this are stored in these variables. So let's see. So Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. So this is called unpacking. So we can do this unpacking using from a list. Variables that cannot created outside the function as global variables. Let's see global variables. So this is, here we declare Delhi as x equal to Delhi. So here x is a global variable. In this function we declare that x is Kolkata. Now print city is x. Here this is local variable, so priority of local variable will be first. So when we run this function, it will print city is Kolkata. City is Kolkata. But if there is no this local variable declaration, if we want to see the global variable in this function, so we have to use it like this. So x equal to Delhi, and we will use it in this function. So now city is Delhi. So global variables are variables that are created outside a function, and it can be used by everyone inside the function or also outside the function. Let's see here, print x. So here it is also possible, it outside the function, inside the function. So global variable can be used by anyone. So today is up to this. I think you all understand. It is a very basic knowledge of Python. I did not do this because of I think you all know other languages, but now I think I have to make this for those who are new to Python, new to programming. So I think you all understand. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.